Black Friday is coming up, and of course my good friends over at Merit Beauty told me that they're having a sale. In fact, it is their biggest sale and only sale of the year, and I'm going to tell you guys all about it. I love the company. I love it what it stands for. It's clean beauty products, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to share with you guys my favorite products. This is their new launch right here. This is Great Skin, the Instant Skin Glow Serum. This is one I've been raving about. If you guys haven't heard, like, look at my scar. It is almost gone. It is just an amazing product. So if you guys have a scar, fine lines, wrinkles, dry skin, oily skin, this works on everyone, and it is so moisturizing and healing. The healing properties in this are just amazing. So this is the biggest launch so far because I love it. I absolutely love this product. I know you guys will too, and of course it's 20% off, right? If you guys want, I've got a link in the description for you guys for everything I talk about today, so just click on that link and I'll bring you right to their website. This deserves a really big shout out because it just won an award for the Allure Clean Beauty Awards. This is their Flush Balm Cheek Color. There's 5 shades. I think they're all really fabulous. I own 4 of them myself. I use them all the time. You just get this amazing glow to the skin when you put this on. I love it. It is amazing. So that one is definitely one I would recommend that you guys pick up. Next up, let's talk about lipstick. Of course, I'm wearing the color Fashion right here. This is award-winning from Elle magazine. It actually just won the Elle First Class Beauty Award for 2022. This is a lightweight lipstick. It is just so moisturizing. You guys are going to love it. They have 8 shades, and I think that they're stunning. Let me just look here. So I've got on Fashion, this one right here. It's this beautiful color. I super love it, and you guys will love it too. It's one I would recommend because it doesn't dry out your lips. One of the products I love from the line is their Bronze Balm. So I've got it actually in 3 different colors because I use it for contouring and definitely contouring here on the neck. And I love this product. It's very sheer, it's lightweight, you can throw it in your purse, you can blend it out with your fingers, and you can blend it out with the brush, which I love. Totally recommend it. So this one comes in 5 different shades. I've got 3 of them. So I've got this one right here, this one, and this one for contouring. Love all of them, recommend it. So if you guys have fair skin like me, or if you have a shade or 2 deeper, definitely those first 3 are going to work amazing for you. I love it so much. I actually have them in 3 shades, and I've got doubles of them because I need that. I just need it to be in my set bag for working on set, and I need it in my personal makeup bag as well. I super love this product. So of course I have to talk about the brush. I actually talk about this brush all the time on my channel. I use it almost daily on my channel. I super love it. This is one of the best foundation brushes I have, and I use it to blend out the bronzer. I use it to blend out liquid highlighter. Like, it is amazing. This brush is so soft and award winning. This actually won for Allure 2021. I love this brush. I've got multiples of these in my kit and here on my desk in my studio. I love this brush. So this is $39 and it's going to be 20% off, so that's definitely something that you guys are going to want to pick up. This is clean, vegan, and cruelty free. It's got a soft touch. It's amazing for buffing out and blending, especially if you guys are contouring, especially down here or on the décolleté area. I love this, and you can go right into your hairline with bronzer. It is fabulous, like super fabulous. And lastly, let's talk about Day Glow, their amazing highlighting balm, which comes in 3 different shades. You guys compliment me on my skin all of the time, and of course I've got a little bit of Day Glow on my skin. This is amazing, and of course with the holiday season coming up, you need this in your life. I just throw a little bit on, tap it out with my fingers, or I'll take the brush and just like brush, just brush, buff a little bit of that on, and it's just amazing. I'll put a little on my décolleté, on my shoulders if you're going, for a little, peekaboo moment right there. It is stunning. All over the body. If you're wearing no stockings right now, put a little bit of that on your thigh, and it looks amazing. Just on your legs, just buff that in. I use this all the time, all over the body, and it's stunning. It is beautiful, and it's one that, of course, I could not leave this video without talking about because it is amazing and on sale right now. Use my link in the description box. It'll take you directly to the Merit website where you guys can have a look at all the products and save 20% off. And first-time customers will also receive their Merit signature bag right here. It's such a cute little bag. And there's going to be daily doorbusters from November 23rd to the 28th on their top-selling makeup sets. So definitely check that out. That is one that you're not going to want to miss. Alright guys, I just wanted to share this amazing sale with you guys because they only have it once a year. So definitely check that out. Alright guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye.